Hello, fellow cosplayers, and welcome back to the next holiday tutorial for 2018. So, last tutorial was beauty, now we're going into aspects, or I should say, more known as krampus. If you don't know who Krampus is, he's kind of like the demon of Christmas, so basically like, you're good, Santa will come and give you presents. But if you're bad, Krampus will visit you and eat you. Or something like that. I don't know what he'll do. Yeah. So let's get started. I have my brows blocked out. And I'm gonna put my hair back because we'll be using liquid latex. So, yeah. So yeah, let's get started. We will be using two things to create Krampus's face: liquid latex and cotton balls. And so we're starting out with a layer of liquid latex and then putting an unrolled cotton ball on there and then putting more latex over that with a spatula, and then putting another layer of cotton over that and putting more latex over that, like so. Make sure everything is covered like that because it will be harder to paint if it's sorry, I had to sneeze. It's not covered. Actually, what I found out what is a lot more easier to do is to put some more dip the cotton into the latex and then put it on there. So sorry, I have to sneeze. So it makes it a heck of a lot easier. Then I am taking some liquid latex and putting that over the cotton that we just put on. And sorry that I sound weird. I have a bit of a cold and I'm just sneezing, so you're gonna hear a lot of that in this video. I'm sorry. But yeah. So then I am taking some unrolled cotton again, and I am literally really struggling here. And I am putting that on one of my eyebrow covers. It's important to put eyebrow covers before you put latex on your eyebrows, because your eyebrows are going to be ripped out when you took it off. Just saying. Yeah, and then I'm doing the other eyebrow to create a very, this step is to create a very, angry, scary expression to frighten the little children, my pretties. And then I'm taking another layer of liquid latex and putting that on there. So yeah, that is that. And then I am taking this prosthetic that I made with, again, cotton and latex, and for Krampus's jaw, and I'm using Prosthetic adhesive to to put it on. But before I do it, I'm going to black out my lips so when it shows through, it is black. So I'm blacking that out with some black face paint, and I am starting out by applying the Prosade on where I'm going to put the prosthetic and on the prosthetic, and I'm just trying to place that on very, very nice. I'm just really, really trying, guys. Y'all gotta be patient with me because this is really strugglesome because this prosthetic is so darn heavy, and I am just hoping that it will not fall off. Hoping that it will not fall off when I start to do it. So yeah, put it on and it was a success. Yay! Then I am just darkening it up with some more black paint. But paint that's okay to go on the skin because we don't want any stuff that's not supposed to go on the skin. So now we wait for that to dry. And now we are going to take some more cotton and latex. Again, we are using a lot of cotton and latex in this video. So we are using that to blend out some uneven edges from the prosthetic. Yeah, and I literally just had to reach out to get it. But yeah, we are just gonna take some of that cotton, put some more latex over that, and yeah, as you can see, that is what we'll do it. And you don't have to make it neat because he is not supposed to be neat. Krampus have been terrifying children for centuries, so he is obviously rotten and decaying, and yeah, he's obviously rotten and decaying, and yeah. And then we are taking some liquid latex and stippling on our face to make it, to give it some more texture. But if you are allergic to latex, please skip this step. I'm counting on you to be safe because I don't want any of you to get hives. There's no hives in this video. We're just putting some more latex on that cotton and latex build up. And now we wait for that to dry. And now we start painting. I am starting with some white water activated paint. This is the graftobean propane in white swan. And I am using that all over the place, all over to cover up the latex color. I just kind of wanted to have like a solid base of white and then put like some blotchy, gross stuff over that to make it look, well, yeah, you know what I mean. Then put that down on my neck and continue doing some spritzing and just like put it everywhere because we don't want any spots showing because that's not allowed. I'm just putting that everywhere that it's possible to get that. And yeah, so now what I am doing is I am taking some Midnight Clown White, and this is a cream color, Now, I got this trick from Mikey from Glam and Gore. She said to start out with water activated paint and then do a layer of cream and then go over all of it with a cream paint. And I thought that was pretty dang convenient. Yeah, you know, because I just really thought that that was convenient. So yeah, a big shout out to Mikey from Glam and Gore. And now what I am doing is I am taking some purple cream paint, and now that is going to look like a